days after India expressed that decision of scrapping the special status of Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 is its internal matter. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan Sunday alleged that it is an attempt to change the demography of Kashmir. The Pakistan Prime Minister accused the Modi government of working at the behest of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), comparing it to the Nazi. The statement comes in the backdrop of the government's decision to revoke the special status granted to Jammu and Kashmir and securing Parliament's approval for a bill to bifurcate the state into two union territories. The two nations have been exchanging blows after the decision on Kashmir, following which the Pakistan Foreign Ministry downgraded diplomatic ties with India on Wednesday and suspended bilateral trade.